What's up guys, Express Design here, or Express. In this video I'll be redesigning a game cover. This time I'll be redesigning the Spider-Man cover because I recently replayed the Spider-Man game and I enjoyed it. I think this video idea can become like a series, so if you have any game cover or poster or album cover you would like me to redesign, let me know in the comments down below. I gave myself 1 hour to make this so I wouldn't spend too much time and also wouldn't spend too little time on this project. And before everything I searched for some effects and flares for the end, so it would look nice. Now for the cover I had a background of the game from in New York that will fit my Spider-Man ID. And I had a Spider-Man render that I found on Google. Anyways, I started with the color correcting Spider-Man so he would fit better with the background. With brightness, contrast. It was background time. I had to change the color of the background and the light effects and the lighting. Then I put some effects on with just a simple brush, just a splatter brush, so the light from the right side would pop out more. I started to add on effects. I know I added on effects a little bit early this time, but I thought like, why not? It's not that I can add a lot of, in my opinion, still needs to be simplistic. It's not a poster, it's a game cover. It still needs to have the attract little children for Spider-Man, not for anything else. So, and that's why I added effects, flares, flame effects, everything that needs to be added. Then I added the Spider-Man 4 logo and PS4 game banner on the top, so it would look like a real cover. After that, it was the camera raw filter time to change the color and let it pop out a bit more. So I put a bit darker and I put a bit lighter. I changed the color a bit so it would look more natural. After that, I put some more effects on to like really see he's swinging, so I put some motion blur on it, put some motion blur on the flame effects and really feel like he's swinging. Then I went to the filter gallery and added like the drawing effects on it, so it would look like it's been drawn but actually hasn't been drawing. But anyways, that was it actually. It only took me like 15 minutes to make this, but I'm really excited. I'm really happy with the result. It's not too big, it's not too little, it's still Spider-Man cover. Let me know what you like better, the original one or my one. This is the first time I redesigned something. Anyways, if you have ideas that I can redesign, let me know. I had fun making this. This was a fun little quick project. Maybe I could do a more recent game, maybe the new Spider-Man game. Anyways, thanks for watching this redesign video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, share, do more if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.